Let me show you how to send your PDFs to Google Drive right now. So follow me to my desktop. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jotform, and on this video, I'm going to show you how to send automatically your PDFs to Google Drive. So let's get started. This is my main workspace, and for this case, I'm going to open up a demo form to use for this purpose. In this case, I'm going to use this college enrollment form. So let's go ahead and edit this form right now. And once you're here, the first thing you want to do is build your PDF. So go ahead and click on the top menu over here, go to PDF editor, build your PDF right here. Once that's done, you'll have a PDF template that you can use to send over to Google Drive. So let's go back over here to the form builder. Then we're going to jump into settings, and in settings, there's an option that says integrations. Let's go ahead and select it. And then we are going to search for Google Drive. Here we go. Let's search for Google Drive. And it's right here, Google Drive. Let's go ahead and select it. The first thing we need to do is authenticate Jotform with Google Drive. So let's go ahead and connect right now. Go ahead and open up this connection. Go ahead and select the account that you want to send your PDFs to your drive. Once that is done, it'll connect Jotform with Google Drive. So here we go. Let's go ahead and continue with the process and allow the connection. There we go. So we are now connected, and we have the folder name right here, which is the name form that we've built. And you can go ahead and name this whatever you want for the folder. This folder is going to be created in your Google Drive. Then you have an option to create a subfolder for each submission. That might be a good idea depending on your use case. And then we have the option to send submissions PDF to Google Drive. This is exactly what we want. So let's go ahead and select the PDF that we've built. And if you have several PDFs, go ahead and select the one that you want to send to Google Drive. So we're good to go. Let's go ahead and save. There we go. Let's go ahead and preview this form. Let's fill it out with demo data. And let's go ahead and send this off right now. Now that folder should be created right now in Google Drive. Here we go. We have our folder created, and we have the submission built right here. And here's the PDF. Let's go ahead and preview it. So it's super easy to send your PDFs to Google Drive using this integration. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Jotform and connect Jotform with your Google Drive to send over those PDFs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.